Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the primary occupation, the primary activities. All these activities are directly depend on the earth. The nature provide many resources, and the human directly use these resources. This type of the economic activities are known as the primary activities. These type of economic activities are known as the primary activities. Then here the products which are related to the primary activities, then we work here related to primary activities. Then here the many type of the resources and the products used by the human, and they do not directly use their products, they do not directly use the product, and then the products are transform and change. These products are the transform and refine, and this type of the occupation are known as the secondary occupation. Here today we will discuss about the secondary and the tertiary occupation. Today we will discuss about the secondary occupation and the tertiary occupation. So what is the secondary occupation? Then here the product provided by primary occupation, the product provided by the primary occupation. Here, like here the iron ore, then here the mining, like here the wood, then here the work lumbering. Then what in second occupation क्या हो रहा है? Refine and transform. Refine and transform. And valuable thing. Then this type of the activities are known as the secondary occupation. Here the definition about the secondary occupation: human activities which refine natural resources. Here the natural resources which refine natural resources into useful commodities. Useful commodities or also valuable goods by refining and transforming. Them are called the secondary occupation. So what is here the secondary occupation? Then here the natural resources, the human activities. All these human activities are the occupation. The human activities, yeah, all these economic activities of the human complete their necessity are known as the economic activities. And the economic activities related to the human which refine natural resources, which transform the natural resources in useful commodities by refining and the transforming them are called secondary occupation. The occupation जिसमें क्या किया जा रहा है? Refine and transform the goods, or here the things प्रोवाइड बाय द नेचर हमें जो प्रोवाइड करा रही है उसे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? रिफाइन कर रहे हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, और वो क्या हो रहा है? चेंज इन द यूजफुल गुड्स और कमोडिटीज एंड द वैल्यूएबल गुड्स. क्या हो जाता है? आल्सो हियर द इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आर नोन एज द सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज. लाइक हियर द एग्जांपल, what industries, food processing, construction, road and buildings, dairy industries, all these are the example of secondary occupation. में work क्या कर रहे हैं? Here the industries, all type of the industry. Here the manufacturing work, then here the food processing also, then convert the food in the many type of the other form. Then here construction, road construction, building construction, dairy industry, all these are included in the secondary occupation. Then here nature provide us iron ore, then human convert by the secondary process in iron steel. Nature provide the cotton, then here the cotton textile. कॉटन किस में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं? कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इन क्लॉथ्स. Clear? In clothes. Next here, then here the iron ore. जब क्या करते हैं? आफ्टर द माइनिंग, जब माइनिंग करके हम क्या करते हैं? बाहर निकालते हैं. What here the exploit? Here the ore. ऑल दीज मिनरल आर इन फॉर्म ऑफ और, जब भी हम खोद कर क्या करेंगे, माइनिंग कर कर बाहर निकालेंगे, दीट ऑल दीज minerals are in form of ore. Then here the in industry, here the iron ore convert in the iron steel, iron ore convert in the iron steel. And the cotton जब एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, then here the cotton and cotton convert in the clothes in industries are in all the secondary occupation. Then here the wheat convert in flour. क्या होता है, गेहूं को हम क्या बना लेते हैं, आटा बना लेते हैं, ठीक है. What here the all these natural resources provide here, and here the second by the secondary occupation, here the different commodities here, या here the valuable commodities here, valuable goods convert कर रहे हैं किसमें, after the refining and the transform, convert in the many, convert in the other, या convert in the valuable commodities, valuable goods, ठीक है. इसका क्या हो जाता है, इसका like here the वुड कटिंग करेंगे तो वुड का क्या करेंगे, फर्नीचर बनाएंगे ना, फर्नीचर. इसका क्या, वुड की जो वैल्यू हो कम है, जैसे फर्नीचर बनाएंगे द वैल्यू इज इंक्रीज, ठीक है. देन हियर द वैल्यूएबल थिंग आल्सो एंड द यूजफुल थिंग्स आल्सो आफ्टर द सेकेंडरी ऑक्यूपेशन. तो ऑल दीज आर हियर द सेकेंडरी ऑक्यूपेशन. द ह्यूमन क्या कर रहा है, हियर द एक्टिविटीज, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज रिफाइन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इनटू useful commodities by refining and the transforming them are known as the secondary occupation. The occupation which is related, जब क्या कर रहे हैं human, then here the main work of the human, manufacturing here, refining, transforming the primary goods, convert in valuable commodities या useful commodities are known as the secondary occupation. Next here the tertiary occupation. What is tertiary occupation? Tertiary occupation directly related to the service sector, clear. Then here the primary products here like iron ore. Then here iron ore का direct क्या करेंगे, then transfer them in industries. Then here the manufacturing. Then here for consumers, clear. Yeah, electricity industries. Then in consumers, what is the process. Then here the iron ore, जब भी क्या करेंगे, माइनिंग करेंगे आयरन ओर का डायरेक्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते ना. देन हियर इन इंडस्ट्री में लगे जाएंगे, आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री कन्वर्ट द आयरन ओर इन द आयरन स्टील, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेंगे इसका, तो किसमें जाएगा, आयरन स्टील का डायरेक्ट यूज नहीं कर पा रहे, ठीक है. देन हियर द उसको कहां पे लेके जा रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. देन हियर द मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकल फॉर्म इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. देन हियर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज को यूज कहां पे लेके जाएंगे, कंज्यूमर्स, फॉर द कंज्यूमर्स, और फिर कंज्यूमर का यूज करेगा. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, देन हियर the also transport and communication use here the all this process, here the service processes. यानी जब भी हमें क्या होता है ना, प्राइवेट प्रोडक्ट्स को इंडस्ट्री में ले जाना है, इंडस्ट्रियल जो कमोडिटीज है वहां पे कंज्यूमर्स तक हमें पहुंचाना है. ऑल दिस प्रोसेस हियर द प्रोवाइड द सर्विसेज, एंड ऑल दिस ह्यूमन या ऑल दिस हियर द प्रोसेस रिलेटेड टू द सर्विस known as the tertiary occupation, like here the transportation, trade, commerce, communication, banking, tourism, all these are the tertiary occupation, and tertiary occupation directly related to the service sector, like here the teacher provide your education, doctor, lawyer, plumber, all these are provide the services are include this type of the service are include in the tertiary occupation. These type of the service are included in the tertiary occupation, clear. Then primary occupation directly related to nature या natural things, and here in secondary occupation here the primary products refine and transform in the valuable commodities, and here the all these primary and the secondary in primary occupation, in secondary occupation all these here the goods वो कहाँ पहुंचाना है हमें, for the consumers, and all these process here related to the service are include in the tertiary occupation. Then here the income in primary occupation, increase the income in secondary education, and increase the income in the tertiary occupation. The developed countries maximum population approx the more than 75% population engaged in the tertiary occupation.